Today we're talking about 7 ways to come up with video topics for your YouTube channel. So we're gonna go through that right now. So this can be a really challenging thing for businesses. We were working with a cybersecurity company called Exabeam. We wanted to come up with video ideas that were most likely to garner a lot of search traffic. And so we identified what those search terms were and what were the most popular ones. What were people coming to that we could then turn into videos? And that video ended up ranking in the number 1 and 2 spots, not only on YouTube, but also on Google. So there's quite a few tools that we use. We use Google Keyword Planner, vidIQ Keyword Inspector. So with Google Keyword Planner, we want to discover new keywords. What is popular? Yoga. And so this is going to show us monthly search volume for specific keywords in specific areas, and also the cost per click for these. Yoga with Adrienne, yoga near me, looking at, okay, Kundalini is one of the most popular search terms, and so doing some related topic around that. Next, we have vidIQ. On here, there is a keyword inspector tool, cybersecurity. So this is supposed to be specific to YouTube. So the search volume for that, if you have a paid account, you can get some more access. Right now, it's just showing me the top 5. And then what's really interesting is it shows a competition rating. So it shows how many people are actually using those terms on their videos. Next, we have what we call keyword exploration tools. So we have some keywords that we want to test out. Then we go to Google. We have some keywords and we want to further validate these and get more ideas from this. And so we'll take some of the keywords that we have and build upon that. Maybe finding blog posts that are trending or what questions are most commonly searched for around these terms. Cybersecurity questions. And from that, we have some questions that people also ask. And so creating a YouTube video around similar types of content. Next, we have our Vireo video topic generator. And so this is a free tool that you can access on our website in our resources section at vireovideo.com. This tool, it allows you to enter a keyword and see over 200 different video titles. There are a bunch of different topics here. And then we also have some variants for some of these. The biggest trends in YouTube marketing that we've seen, whatever search term you had, it's gonna fill that in there. And so it's gonna come up with a lot of really great ideas. Okay, next we have Reddit. So Reddit is a great tool, it's free. You've probably heard of Reddit. And so whatever your business is, there's gonna be niche communities around that where people are posting content that you can also interact with, but it can be really great for coming up with great ideas. So I'm on Reddit. Let's say I am trying to find video ideas for a law firm. So going into legal advice, this is what's most hot right now, so you can see what the sections are. Potentially, if you are a lawyer, you can find ones that are similar to your specific type of law that you specialize in and see what are people really interested in seeing. So neighbors banging on a shared duplex wall when baby cries. So you could actually create a little story around that and what your best response for how you would actually handle that as a law firm. Okay, next is to search your competitors, see what they are doing, see what content is trending, see what their most popular content is, and really dive in to see what videos you can potentially gain suggested traffic off of, where you see that in the sidebar. So someone watches a video and then they're gonna watch a related video potentially next. So let's start with legal. We have Legal. This channel has blown up on YouTube. We can see, okay, this would be a competitor, and we can go in and see what videos are they doing recently that is popular. And one strategy that you can also do is look up related industries and see the types of video formats that people are using. So in this case, some of it is him reacting to pop culture. And so you can potentially take that into your own content. Another reason to look at your competitors is to see what are the gaps. What is not being served to an audience that you can provide your unique value proposition to on YouTube. Next is creating videos to answer frequently asked questions, finding what are the most popular ones that people are coming onto your website for that you can create a video for. This is our YouTube marketing landing page, and we have a bunch of different questions here. This can be a really great quick win for you to quickly come up with great video topics. So next, we want to identify trends in your niche. You can go onto Google and you can type in some of those keywords. You can go to YouTube and go to the trending section. There's gonna be a lot of content that just isn't relevant, but some stuff that you could potentially do content that is the types of content formats that are really popular. So this is another one of vidIQ's tools. It's the most viewed with the paid tools. You can enter a keyword and actually be able to see what videos around that are getting the most viewership. And that will give you a lot of great ideas on what content you can create around that is relevant, time-bound, that people are generating a lot of viewership right now. Leveraging AI. Artificial intelligence is definitely helping support a lot of marketers and marketing systems like Google Ads and ad platforms and being able to automate, but there's also a lot of great tools for coming up with content. Answer the Public is a great tool for figuring out a bunch of different search phrases that people are into around your specific keyword. YouTube marketing. So it structures it from different questions, from how, what, where, why, and so typing those search terms into YouTube, seeing if there's interest around that. Next, we use a tool called Writer. I'll type in a keyword here, YouTube advertising tips. Let's try that. And so, how to get your first 100,000 YouTube views in 12 months. How to monetize and grow a YouTube channel in 2019. 10 tips for landing a YouTube sponsorship for your favorite blog. You can create a paragraph around that and it's gonna come up with maybe a potential intro. So another tool is vidIQ Daily Ideas. What it does is it actually comes up with video topics that are related to what you've put out. And with paid version, you get a bunch more from that. So these are some of the ways we use to come up with video ideas. If you're interested in learning more about YouTube marketing and advertising, that's what we specialize in as an agency. You can learn more on our YouTube channel or on our blog. If you have some more ideas that we didn't discuss, leave it down below in the comment. Love to hear from you. And like and subscribe.
Awesome.
Did I say before about...
Victory button. That's good, right?
Yeah, what do you think? Like a 8-minute video there?
Yeah, exactly.